Welcome to the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. It is the 12th of January 2023 and I'm Nikki Oshuni. On today's market rates, Bitcoin is up at $18,600, Ethereum is at $1,400, BNB is at $286, Solana is at $16, and the dollar to naira rate at 744. In the headlines, CPI report shows U.S. inflation at 6.5%. What does it mean for Bitcoin? El Salvador passes law on cryptocurrency transfers. Nexo suspected of money laundering and fraud by Bulgarian police. Crypto exchange FTX has recovered more than $5 billion in liquid assets. Genesis Global Trading owes its creditors more than $3 billion. Events packed for the month of January and more to come. Now let's get you updated on the Crypto Weekly News. First up, the Consumer Price Index CPI, an important economic metric that measures the average change in prices paid by consumers for various goods and services, demonstrated a considerable drop in inflation for the month of December, bringing it to the lowest level in almost a year. With the latest CPI reading coming at 6.5%, it lends further credence to the argument of a declining inflation, which can act as a catalyst for the price of volatile assets like Bitcoin. Stock futures dropped as the consumer prices report for December confirmed analysts' forecasts of a slowdown in inflationary pressures. Next up, El Salvador's Legislative Assembly earlier approved a digital assets law aimed at legally protecting transfers or debt issues with cryptocurrencies. El Salvador was the first country to adopt Bitcoin as a legal currency in September 2021, using it along with the US dollar, which it adopted as the currency in 2001. The 47-article law received 62 votes in favor out of 84 seats in Congress. El Salvador's Legislative Assembly has just approved by an overwhelming majority the new digital securities law. Forward, always forward, wrote President Nayib Bukele on Twitter. So far, Bukele's government has already purchased 2,381 bitcoins for $107 million. Also, the crypto lender's office in Bulgaria was raided on suspicions of fraud, money laundering, and tax evasion. Local authorities also claim to have evidence proving that a Nexo user financed terrorism. Bulgarian police are investigating the company's domestic entity that boosts operational functions including payroll and customer support. Local authorities also believe a Nexo user financed terrorism by leveraging the cryptocurrency platform. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency exchange FTX has recovered more than $5 billion in liquid assets, but the extent of customer losses in the collapse of the company founded by Sam Bankman-Fried is still unknown, an attorney for the company told a U.S. bankruptcy court earlier. The company, which was valued a year ago at $32 billion, filed for bankruptcy protection in November, and U.S. prosecutors accused Bankman-Fried of orchestrating an epic fraud that may have cost investors, customers, and lenders billions of dollars. To close off the news today, cryptocurrency broker Genesis Global Trading allegedly owes its creditors more than $3 billion. Its parent company, the digital currency group DCG, which also owns Grayscale Investments and a series of digital assets trusts, seeks to sell part of its venture capital holdings to offset the shortfall. According to people familiar with the matter, DCG's venture arm has more than 200 crypto-related projects such as exchanges, banks, and custodians in at least 35 countries, with a total valuation of around $500 million. Genesis reportedly hired investment bank Moelis to explore strategic alternatives, although people familiar with the matter said there was little capital infusion interest. On the 5th of January, Genesis laid off 30% of its staff as a cost-cutting measure, a second of its kind in the 6 months' time. Finally, on blockchain events in the month of January, Africa Technology Expo 2023 Abuja. The Africa Technology Expo will hold on the 27th and the 28th of January 2023 at the NAF Conference Center, Abuja. The first day will be blockchain-centric, while the second day will be startup and talent-centric. The 2023 edition of the African Technology Expo uniquely focuses solely on promoting local content only, indigenous startups coming up with unique solutions that are 100% uniquely evolved to address Nigeria's problems and can't afford to get a visa, and showcase their startups at GTEx or headquarter their companies in San Francisco or California. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, do visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at Crypto TV Plus, and on Instagram at Official Crypto TV Plus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news at all, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Nikki Oshini. Until next time.